Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. Today we're going to be reviewing the RUNCL, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, the RUNCL Rushmore 5000. God said this really wanted me to review it. I'm going to try it out in the surf here today. We're out of Milano. Water's looking pretty clean. Got high hopes for this reel. When I pulled it out of the packaging, it was very smooth. I've got 15-pound clear mono on it. But everything feels smooth on it, the drag feels smooth, so I have high hopes initially. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. Let's get rigged up, tossed out there. So, got it all rigged up here, basic high-low rig, just got some fresh shrimp. Let's cast this out of here, see how it does. That's a good fish right there, man. Yes, sir. That is a good fish. All right. Nice black drum. Very nice black drum, actually. Nice little black drum to start the day. So, oh God. There we go. Nice black drum. We're gonna get this guy going. First fish on the new reel. Little baby pompano. Gonna get him back. Oh, Jesus. That's a good one. Well, I said I wanted a bigger fish on the new reel. I think I'm getting it. What do we got? Oh, nice little whiting. All right. Woo. Water coming up. Alrighty. Well, I'm not going to show the camera that. Nothing super special, but nice whiting. Get him tossed back because obviously he wants to go. Alright. Well, not a bad little fish. Nice whiting. He gobbled that up quick, didn't he? I was barely out there. Second whiting of the day. Pretty fish, pretty fish. Gonna throw him back. Alright, that was a pretty nice little whiting there. So far we've gotten whiting, pompano, and black drum. So not a bad morning so far. Hopefully I get a nice size keeper pompano. If not, we're having a ton of fun catching fish. Ooh. Still on there? guy. Look at that. Good Lord. That's just a nostril too. I mean, what a tiny little fish. Get out of here. You're not getting none of this. Go on. Quick update. It's about noon. I've caught a couple of little tiny pompano, a couple whiting, nice-sized whiting, really, that one black drum. Bite's still going strong, even though we're technically in the slack tide. High tide's going to be at about 3, 4 o'clock, so we just now should start coming in a little bit. So hopefully we can see a little bit more. If not, I'm going to be packing it up within the next hour or so. Well, it was a little baby palm, but it popped off at the last minute. Got something. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Another whiting. Now the whiting is just on fire today, man. Nice size whiting. Toss him back. All right, so overall, the RUNCL Rushmore, oh, come on, 5,000. Thoughts on the reel? I think, especially for the money, it's about 50 bucks to pick it up. This is a 5K size. I think it's a pretty good reel. I like it. The handle's really nice. It feels good. Everything's solid. The drag works really well. It's very smooth. I haven't had any problem with it yet. I even dunked it in the water one time. Rinse it off, everything seems fine. Especially with salt water, these things take time to kind of give it a full review on to see how it's gonna hold up, see how it's gonna, you know, last in the salt water, because any reel is good the first time you take it out. So initial reactions is I like it. It's good, I like it. I got this paired on a Daiwa FT 10 foot series. So, I mean, I like it. I got, like I said, 15-pound mono on it. Overall, I give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to go pick one up, definitely head out. I like the color on it too. I think it's a pretty clean looking reel, but there you go, honest review. Let's see how it holds up in the future. Keep an eye out for that. See you guys next time.
Hey, if you guys like this video and you wanted to pick up one of these Rushmore spinning reels for yourself, go ahead and head over to runcl.com to pick one up. I'll have a link down in the description below. If you use discount code 904F2RUNCL for the next 6 months, you will get 15% off your reels. Go ahead and pick one up, and I'll see you guys out there.